I'm gonna cook some beef. I'm just gonna fry these instead of grill. Beef steak. This is a big chunk of steak, so I'm just gonna cook half muna. Kalahati lang muna. Ayun. Para yung kalahati, i-store ko na lang muna sa ref. Ang laki kasi siya at saka very thick ang ano. Very thick. Ang laki kasi siya at saka very thick siya. Ang bit niya very thick. Ayun. Very thick. Ayun, hinati ko na siya. So now, yun, nahiwa na. I'm going to fry it. Let's see. Ayan, sarap. Para na rin siyang nag-grill. Ayan. Yeah, oh, sarap na. Ayan, sarap. Wow, that's it. That's my steak. Sarap. Looks delicious. Wow. Sarap. Sarap pag steak na. This is my second steak. Naubos kasi yung isa. And I want more.